We'll guide you through how to create a group on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android. We'll guide you through it for both. Having groups is really convenient because it means you can have multiple different contacts in one WhatsApp group and you can then go and talk together. Perhaps it's for a community like your local neighborhood, or perhaps it's for a school group. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through this step by step, and we'll show you how you can go and start customizing the group, as you can go and make other people admins to go and help you manage the group, amongst other things as well. So make sure it's this full video step by step so you know exactly what you can do with it. So to get started, you need to come to the chat screen on WhatsApp, so you can go and press that at the bottom. On an Android, you go to the top right and press the three dots. On an iPhone, you go to the top right and press the plus. Now, what you can do is go and find the option for new group. You can find that on an Android as well, and you can go and tap there. So to get started, you can start choosing who you want to go and add to the group. So I'll go and start selecting our different contacts here as well. So I'll go down here and start selecting them like this. Then once you've got them selected, what you can do is you can go and press next in the top right. Now at the top, you can go and enter in a group name. This is what the group will be called. So I could go and name this guide. And then what you can do is go and press the photo icon to the left, and you can get these different options for adding a profile picture for it. I'll press choose photo, and our photos will then go and open up. Select it, we can then press choose, and you can scale it to your liking as well. Now you can go and choose if you want to have disappearing messages. As you can see here, they'll go and disappear for everyone after the selected duration, which can be cool. So you can go and choose if you want that to be on. You can actually go and set this later on as well though. So I'll go and keep that off for now. Then you can go into group permissions. So you can choose what members can do. So at the moment, members can edit the group settings, which I don't want. They can go and send you messages, which I do want. They can go and add other members, which I do want. And they can invite via link or QR code. I'll go and switch that on. Now, what you can also do is we can go and switch on admin can approve new members. So this means that anyone who wants to join the group will have to go through and to be accepted. So they can't just immediately join. They'll have to be accepted by admins. So I'll keep that off for now, but we can also go and change that later. Then you can press the back button in the top left and we're back here. Next, you want to go to the top right and you can go and press create. So we're now making the group and here we are. So as you can see, we can go and see the info at the top here. We can go and start sending messages. So I could go and send hi, for example. If you go and tap and hold this, you can actually go and pin this. If we go and press more at the bottom, we can pin it and it'll then go and appear at the top. So this can be good for when people go and join, they can easily go and see a message or whatever you want it to say. Now for more options, you can press the name at the top of the group. You can go and add a description, which can be cool. So this is for a video, for example, then press save in the top right. You can then go down and you can go and choose notifications, chat theme, and save to photos. Now, we can once again go and choose if you want to go and have disappearing messages. You can get back to the group permissions here, as you can see. And then you can also go and choose if you want to go and have the encryption settings. That's more up to you. Add it to a community if you want to. And what you can do is if you come down here is you can go and choose if you want to go and make more admins. And so they can help you manage your group, which can be really useful. So for example, I may want to make Tucker Jackson an admin. I can tap on them here. And then what I could do is press make group admin. This is really convenient if you've got a lot of members and you want to sort of moderate it. And if you go and have the setting in group permissions for approve new members, this means the other person or admins you've added can go and approve them. So it makes it more efficient. If you aren't looking at your phone, people can still go and join and take part in your WhatsApp group. So you can go through there and you can go and adjust that to your liking. But that's it. That is how you can go and make a group on WhatsApp. And if you go to the top right here, you can go and get the QR code for the group. And you can get the link as well, which is really useful for sharing it. And you can press the edit icon in the top right and change the name and profile icon as well. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.